Hello viewers, this is Brijesh here. I am from the Dealmoney Research, and in this video we will be discussing on the Nifty, which has been talking down, which has been fallen from around 12,000 sub 12,000 levels to now 10,800 levels. So before starting on to the what's the Nifty, I hope you have gone through our last video, Dealonomics with Lakshmi Priya, and where we have discussed various sectors and what happened in the problem with financial crisis and IT industries and all those stuffs. So coming on to the Nifty again, we have been witnessing nearly 12-13% of fall from around 11,800 to around 10,000 sub 600 levels. Most importantly, the lows which we have made in March 2019 are still intact. And if I just go to the historic momentum, the lows which were made in 2018, in October 2018, same lows were made in March 2018, and market has respected those lows around 9950 levels, and from there we have seen the all-time new highs. If I just slightly look at the momentum, the fall of quantum of fall before 9950, it was sub around 14-15% of fall. The recent fall from around 11,800 is around 12.5%. So nearly coincides with the similar levels. Second, if I just look on the technical parameters like RSI, second time yet positive divergence will witness. Initially in 2018, this first quarter lows were held in the fourth quarter. This time in 2019, the first quarter lows are still intact after the fall of around 12.5%. With positive RSI divergence again getting a good momentum. Second, if I just look at the history of the Nifty, the 20 days average plays out very strong. And if I just look at the last 4-5 years of data, with the time cycle where Nifty trades below 20 days average, for on an average of around 50-52 days, it tends to give a good upside momentum of around 6-7% swiftly. Looking at this current scenario, we have already taken a momentum for the below 200 days average for right to 52 days, or if I just convert into trading sessions, the trading sessions are around 38-39, and the average trading sessions in the last 5 years, we have seen the sixth time Nifty has been trading around 20 days average, and the time cycle wise, it has been again moving above the average of around 39 days, and even if you look at the weekly close today, it's been around about nearly 11,000 levels. So it is placed at around 11,000 levels, 20 days average, precisely at around 10,994. So we think yes, a short-term bottom be in place for nearly as we are moving on to the September series now. So we probably think ahead of Diwali and ahead of Christmas, Nifty might see a short-term bottom at current levels of sub 11,000 or till 10,700. And we are expecting again 11,500, 11,800 levels soon, probably in around 3 to 6 months. The pure momentum, if I just look at the momentum charts or the short-term charts, it's clearly indicated 11,150 might act as a minor resistance. Why? Because if you last 3 weeks, it has been resisting at around 11,146, 11,142, 11,140 sort of levels. So 150 would minor act as a minor resistance zone for bulls, and above which we think markets might see a good upside momentum towards swiftly towards 11,370, which is 50 days average. And we think slow and steady 11,500 can be on cards for Nifty. So yes, every dip's a good accumulation level for Nifty as of now. And even if you look at the breadth, large cap are still outperforming against the mid caps. Even if you look at the HDFC when corrected from 2,400, 24 and a half back to 2,000 levels, HDFC beginning back to around 2,200 levels, HDFC Bank is from lower levels regaining. IT is being nearly all-time high. Infosys has hit all-time highs in the August month, and the today's high if you look at the 815, 816 levels. So we think large caps which are holding market strongly, even if you look at the ICICI, it's been above 400 level for quite some time, even this fall of markets. So we believe Nifty still has a good upside momentum, and every dip is an accumulation levels for Nifty. So I hope you will like the video, and you will subscribe to our YouTube channel down there, And also would request to download the Dealmoney Pro app, where you can find these regular updates on videos and the reports from Dealmoney.